Assalamualaikum guys, once again I'm back with another quick tutorial, and in this video I'll guide you how you can fix your searching. Actually, when you click on the Windows icon in Windows 11, not Windows 10. It's happening in Windows 10, but this video is for Windows 11 user and as well for Windows 10. So if you click on the Windows icon and type something and it's actually not searching in Windows 11, and definitely it's happens mostly in Windows 10. If you are using the 4 GB RAM, it's because of less RAM, so you need to upgrade your RAM. And for the moment, how you can fix it, it's actually a temporary bug, so you can fix it easily. Just open the task manager and just scroll down, and here you need to find the Windows Explorer. Just select any service, then press W, and you will see here Windows Explorer. Here is the Windows Explorer. Right click on it and restart your Windows Explorer. Your problem has been resolved. Now the further step you can do is you can increase your virtual memory, so that will help you to increase your PC performance, like your operating system performance, not actually a PC performance. So after that you will not face this issue. There is a registry file, link is given below in the description. Just go ahead, download it, and simply you need to do is just double tap on it, and here you can see registry editor, user account control will appear. Click on yes, and then here registry editor, another message, so click on yes and then click on OK. Now your problem has been resolved. You need to restart your PC, and that's it. Thanks me later after restart your PC. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, share it with friends. मिलते हैं next video में. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.